Hi, hope you are having a fantastic day. In this video, we'll give you a simple tool with amazing results to stay focused while you're doing anything. Well, basically, self-care and self-love start with self-trust. And if you keep breaking the promises you commit to yourself, you will feel guilty and unable to complete anything to the end. You start doubting yourself and feeling down most of the time. This is true for both big and small things. And when it comes to learning and studying, as most humans are programmed, this is a tough task to do. Your brain would help you dig in deeper this belief. And so when you start reading or watching the content you're assigned to study, it will bring up the phone call you had to do 2 years ago, and the flowers you forgot to water, your grandmother that you said you should visit next week, but what should you take with you this time? It can go on and even take you to Mars and think about the various possibilities you can do there. Eventually, time goes by and the hour you allocated to study is over. And what you remember from it is nearly nothing. You feel frustrated and promise you will do better next time. Next time comes and voila, same thing happens again and again. Well, one thing you can do, we spoke about it in a previous video and I will put the link to that in the description box. Another thing you can do and has been working for many people I know is having a sticky note or a piece of paper with you. When you start reading and you have any idea trying to emerge, just note it down and don't go along with it. Continue reading, and if other one pops, do the same thing and go back to your focus area again. Basically, our brain thinks that these ideas are very important and you should be thinking about before proceeding, or you might forget them. So it keeps reminding you of these ideas over and over again. By writing these ideas down, you send to your brain a message that these ideas will be taken care of. And by that assurance system, your brain will stop flashing you with these ideas. Time by time, you will find yourself having better control of your thoughts and your effectiveness will notably increase. Your self-trust would rise and subsequently your self-love. Try this out and let us know of your experience. And as always, stay fabulous wherever you are.